Welcome to Sign Up Simple and my GetResponse tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to create a landing page. This video is number 9 of 12 videos in this video series. And if you are not already signed up with GetResponse, I have provided a link in the description for you to use to sign up. The first thing we are going to do is click Tools, click Landing Pages, click Create Landing Page. GetResponse out of the box provides a number of templates that you can select from. However, we will be building our landing page from scratch, so click Select Template. Here are some of the starting templates that you can use. I am going to be using this one. You are going to name the landing page and click Next Step. The next thing that we are going to do is select a design that I made for this page. I am going to click the image, click this image icon, click Add Files. We are going to just drag the design onto the upload area, click Add, and then click Use. We are now going to adjust the size of the image container. I am going to pull it up. I will adjust the size a little bit more, and then I will adjust the size of the image within the container. We do that by sliding this bar to the left to make the image smaller. I'm going to delete the brand logo placeholder. I am going to adjust the size as well as its location. I will also move down the header text so that it is not too close to the image. And I am going to copy some text in the header as well as in the form header. I am going to change the button to subscribe. Let's check this update on mobile. That looks good. I am now going to update the thank you page. This is what the person would see after clicking the subscribe button. On the thank you page, I will be updating both the brand logo and the column image. Let's start with the column image, and like before, I am going to select my design. I am going to adjust the image so that it fits in this area. Let's change congratulate with welcome. I'm going to also paste in some text and delete the second paragraph. I'm going to try to make this design look better by widening the text area and moving it up a little. I am also going to delete this button because it's not applicable. I think that I'm going to vertically center the text. I think that would look much better. At this point, I am going to add the logo. Let's adjust it so that it fits this area properly. I am going to move the logo within the viewable area, then widen the container. Move up design a little. Let's look on this at mobile by clicking the mobile icon in the header. This needs some adjusting. Everything can go up, so let's just do that. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to click Next Step. We have page title and description. Let's leave that alone, and under landing page URL, We are going to use one of the domains that GetResponse provided and enter subscribe as the subdomain. Subscribe seems to be taken already. I'm going to try sign up instead and see if that would work. That also seems to be taken. Let me see if I can try sign up on another domain. That worked. The list that I want to use is list 2. We are going to leave add into the cycle on day. We are also going to leave day of cycle to 0, 1 message. Thank you page is the default page. There is also analytics and remarketing, Google Ads conversion tracking, and chat window. But we are not looking on any of that. Click publish and that is it. We have successfully created our landing page. We are now going to preview the landing page by opening the link provided into a new tab. This is how the landing page looks. Let's test the landing page and see if information is added to list 2 and the autoresponder sends a welcome email. If you have not watched my previous videos, then I will have links in the description. We are going to enter a name and email and click subscribe. As we expected, the landing page directs us to the thank you page. At the same time, the information should have been added to list 2, and under origin, you should be seeing landing page. Also, you should receive a welcome email that was sent by the autoresponder. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you are not already signed up with GetResponse, then I have the link in the description. Also, the next video should appear in front of your screen here. See you in the next video.